Great win last night over Vancouver. Partner, now a chance to get some traction with a follow-up here.
Well, the only way to get traction is with the follow-up, and the Hurricanes, John, they'll face a tougher opponent. And a good story in the Colorado Avalanche this season.
Caden Fleury hinging back out to neutral ice. Here's Falk. Pickpocketed, broken up. Carl Soderberg will get to it. He has teammates out in front. There's Borg. Ward says no! What a save by Cam Ward!
Well, that should bring a great Saturday night crowd to their feet. That's an exceptional stop. Timely, spectacular save.
They cross the line, kick to the outside. Comfer pays a price. Taken care of by Justin Falk. Rantanen, Barrie with a shot, he scores! Tyson Barrie with a bullet. Well placed, and Colorado breaks the ice.
And Barrie will jump any, even small chance he gets. What a shot that is.
Noah Hannafin sends it in under 3 minutes left in his first period. Colorado with a 1-0 lead. Here's McGinn. He scores! Brock McGinn answers right back. Carolina has tied it.
McGinn reads off of that, gets himself immediately in close proximity to the net in a good shooting position. What a job McGinn did there.
And Riemsdyk saddled by Landeskog. Barrie attempting to pry it free. Rantanen is there. Jost. Johnson. Turned out by Ward. Rebound. Fought for.
This was his better save. Gets out on top of the crease. Makes sure he's not moving when the shot's taken.
Brock McGinn spins off Sam Girard. Maintains control for the moment. Nail Yakupov pickpocketed by McGinn. Holding on to it. His shot snared by Varlamov.
What worked for McGinn? Then he's able to come up and strip the puck with hunger on Yakupov. It creates a decent chance on the backhand.
For Brett Pesce. Off the end boards. Side of the goal taken to the outside by Brock McGinn, who has scored Carolina's goal tonight. Slavin off the end wall again. Collected by Lindholm again. Scores! Have a night 23. Brock McGinn has given Carolina a 2-1 lead.
And is this the same combination now we've seen in both the first and third periods? Lindholm from below the goal line to McGinn for a goal.
Outstanding game for Brock McGinn as he continues to have a career season. His opposite number, Van Riemsdyk, with a steal, and now Aho will skate out to dead center. At his side, Lee Stempniak out in front. Broken up, Stempniak! Varlamov can't get it! Skinner did! Jeff Skinner cashes in at the side of the goal. Hey, what do you say? 3-1, Carolina.
Everybody becomes puck-focused for Colorado, and Jeff Skinner finds the back of the net.
As the puck now is won back, that'll do it. So the Hurricanes were assessed a 2-minute on the ice penalty, and they are out to surround Cam Ward. Back-to-back wins here over the weekend. Tonight they defeat the Colorado Avalanche 3-1.
In the 8-game homestand that will conclude Tuesday with LA here, this was the best game in terms of both teams engaged, totally focused with their energy and execution.